Every month starts the same way. Money disappears and somehow no one knows where it went. One quick purchase feels harmless, but small habits quietly become expensive lifestyles. Gen Z isn't always broke because they earn less. Sometimes they spend without thinking. Social media made everyone feel behind. Now people buy things just to feel successful for a moment. A coffee here, food delivery there. Tiny daily expenses slowly destroy big future goals. Subscriptions, apps, memberships, money leaks happen silently now. Most people avoid budgeting because it feels boring, but ignoring money problems never fixes them. Debt doesn't arrive loudly at first. It grows slowly until it controls your peace. And one day, reality hits hard. Where did all my money actually go? That question changes everything because awareness is the first step toward financial freedom. For many people, spending starts before the day even begins. One notification and suddenly another purchase feels necessary. Packages arrive faster than satisfaction. Most things lose excitement within days. Modern apps are designed to pressure your emotions. Limited offer really means spend before you think. People replace things that still work perfectly just to keep up with trends online. Sometimes people spend money they don't have just to avoid feeling left out. Buy now, pay later sounds harmless until future money is already spent. Slowly, monthly payments become emotional pressure, and every notification starts feeling stressful. The strange part is, most people already know what they should do, but temporary happiness is addictive, and silence after spending always feels heavy. Still, this is the moment where change begins, because recognizing the problem means you can finally escape it. The biggest financial wake-up call comes from one simple habit: actually tracking where your money goes. Most people are shocked when they realize small daily spending becomes thousands every year. The first step isn't earning more money, it's stopping unnecessary money leaks. Discipline starts with tiny decisions, like saying no to things you don't truly need. Budgeting isn't about controlling your life, it's about finally controlling your future. Even small savings matter, because consistency changes lives more than motivation. The moment you stop competing online, your financial stress becomes lighter. Rich habits are learned slowly. Nobody is naturally good with money at first. Every smart financial choice builds confidence because freedom feels better than temporary excitement. The goal isn't to look rich online. The goal is to build a life where money no longer controls you. Real financial change feels small at first, but small improvements create powerful momentum. Saving money isn't always about sacrifice. Sometimes it's just replacing expensive habits with smarter ones. The strongest people aren't the biggest spenders. They're the ones who can ignore pressure. Automatic saving removes temptation because smart systems beat weak motivation. Most spending starts with attention. Control your attention and you control your money. Peace grows when your life becomes less dependent on constant consumption. Once you learn financial discipline, you naturally inspire people around you. Slow progress still changes everything because financial freedom is built quietly. Eventually, the noise disappears and money stops feeling like a daily stress. That's when life changes, not because you became rich overnight, but because you became financially aware. Financial freedom starts with one powerful habit: giving every dollar a purpose. Sometimes growth means learning to say no, even when everyone else says yes. The best investment isn't always material things, it's improving yourself. Most wealthy people weren't lucky, they simply learned skills most people ignore. An emergency fund doesn't look exciting online, but in real life it creates peace. Money problems steal sleep quietly, while financial discipline brings it back. Social media sells lifestyles, but real success is emotional stability. Every smart habit becomes another step upward, and slowly, life feels more in control. One day you realize you're no longer the same person who wasted money carelessly. That's real growth, not looking rich, but becoming financially strong inside. At some point, managing money stops feeling difficult because discipline slowly becomes normal. The strongest financial habit is self-control. Not every desire deserves your money. Many successful people started small, but they kept building instead of endlessly consuming. Wealth brews quietly, day by day, decision by decision. Most people wish they could warn their younger selves about how dangerous careless spending really becomes. Savings don't just protect your bank account, they protect your peace during hard moments. Real success is slow, and that's exactly why most people quit too early. You stop needing validation from strangers when your life finally feels stable inside. One day, your future self silently thanks you for making smarter decisions today. And that's the truth about money. Freedom isn't built through luck, it's built through habits. Sometimes the hardest moment is looking back and realizing how much money disappeared thoughtlessly. A few smarter decisions every month could completely change your future within years. That realization hurts because wasted money often represents wasted time and energy. Eventually, everyone reaches a choice: continue chasing temporary pleasure or build lasting peace. Real growth begins the moment you choose long-term freedom over short-term excitement. Some habits need to disappear completely because discipline becomes easier when temptation is removed. A better financial life isn't created randomly, it's built through simple routines repeated daily. Once you understand money deeply, you naturally want to protect others from the same mistakes. The future you dream about is quietly being shaped by today's habits. The truth is simple: your financial future changes the moment your mindset changes. In the end, financial freedom isn't built through giant moments. It's built through small habits repeated consistently. The world constantly tells you to spend more, but peace comes from needing less. Eventually, money stops feeling scary because you finally learned how to control it. Looking back, the old habits almost feel unreal, like a version of yourself you completely outgrew. The best part of growth is this: you can help others avoid the same mistakes. Real wealth isn't just money in a bank account, it's emotional peace inside your life. Your future changes slowly at first, then suddenly everything feels different. One day, social media no longer controls your self-worth because your confidence becomes real. It all started with one simple decision: to finally become aware of your habits. So remember this: your money habits today are creating the life you'll live tomorrow.